Are you stupid or something?
From the hostages, and that's what they are, as hostages.
There are some reports the teleprompter wasn't working during the rally due to high winds, and Trump was struggling to find the right words. In one example, he insisted President Biden beat Barack Obama during a national election, which obviously never took place. He also warned of, quote, a bloodbath if he loses the election, and called immigrants animals.
I don't know if you call them people. In some cases, they're not people, in my opinion. These are animals, okay? If you're listening, President Xi, and you and I are friends, but he understands the way I deal, those big monster car manufacturing plants that you're building in Mexico right now, and you think you're going to get that, you're going to not...
Let's talk about it. As you all know, Trump said immigrant people that come to the country are not people, they are animals. Right or wrong is not me throwing to George. He probably has a fact, probably has something that I don't know, but I'm telling that people should be treated as human.